Greetings again, my beloved, and welcome to Nadi's Eclectic Culinary on my 7th video, and thanks in advance for watching it in its entirety. As you may already know, watching my videos through till the end, liking and sharing them all together are a support that catalyzes the sustainability of my channel as I bring you more videos replete with creative, resplendent, opulent and flavoursome dishes. Needless to say, I hope that you are galvanized to try my dishes and this dish. As another component of my 2020 Thanksgiving meal, I bring to you my ever so tasty, juicy, moist on the inside and crisp on the outside roasted turkey. As always, before I commence, I'm going to wash my hands. And worthy of note is that not only do I wash my hands so very often, and the same is true for when I cook, but that I wash every ingredient from fruits and vegetables to meats and fish, yes, my proteins, thoroughly before I use, which I minimize showing to avoid lengthy videos. Again, thanks for watching my videos in its entirety. As I mentioned at the beginning, the support you render my channel by watching my videos all through till the end, liking and sharing them collectively catalyzes the sustainability of my channel as I bring you more videos replete with creative, resplendent, opulent and flavoursome dishes. You can see how appetizing this meal looks, and all the flavors from the turkey, gravy, mashed potato, Brussels sprouts are married in perfect harmony. I encourage you to make this amazing meal for yourself. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your families, friends, acquaintances, everybody and anybody. I look forward to bringing you another video with delicious meal, but until I do, it's ta-ta from Nadi's Eclectic Culinary.